Hello and welcome everybody in today's video. In it, I'll be showing you how to fix the following error. The transaction cannot succeed due to error, execution is reverted, PancakeSwap router, insufficient output amount. But quickly, before we get into that, I'd like to mention today's sponsors. ANY. They're a great trading platform for crypto investors, and if you want to do it easily and quickly, they're the ones for you. Go check them out down in the description below. Alright, also FTMO. If you want to trade with other people's money, if you want to keep all the profits for yourself, well, not all 90%, but that's basically all, and not have any losses, go to them, prove to them that you have the skills of a trader, and they will give you that opportunity. Okay, PancakeSwap. So, most of the time, people will get a bunch of errors in PancakeSwap. There are not quite many errors, but this one is one of them. And like most errors, it's actually fixed the same way as the others. Well, not all of them are the same way, but you get my point. What you can do is usually always delete the decimal points, or what I found interesting sometimes is that you can delete one, try, add it again, and it would usually fix it. I don't know if that's just a bot check or something. I doubt though. But sometimes it does fix it. But of course playing around with decimals fixes it most of the time. But of course, if not, always try playing around with the transactions speed. Of course, fees and all that here. But usually what I found when I try to place a order, it doesn't go through. When I up the speed of the transaction, it usually goes through that time. Or of course, the good old slippage. Play around with it. I like to increase it with 1% and 1% and 1% until it goes in a way. And that actually works most of the time. So yeah, slippage, time, decimal points. That's it pretty much. Hope this helped you and you were managed to solve your problems. So yeah, have a nice day, good luck, see you next time.